free. Wish I could be part of that world. Run away with you, Eric? This is all so sudden. Well, we devoting full time to floating under the sea. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. You got to move your lips like this. Hey my beautiful shining sea stars, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we continue on our Disney Princess Glam series with Ariel. I was so excited when ColourPop said they wanted to partner with me for their Disney designer collection. Oh my goodness, you guys, I saw the dolls come out months ago and I was just like, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. So I'm literally like flipping out over this collab. So earlier this year, I started the Disney Princess Glam series and I started off with Jasmine and then I did Pocahontas and I asked you guys who you wanted to see next and the most requested was Ariel. I am currently 7 months pregnant with baby Lyric, so I am a Priggers Ariel for you guys today. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my Ariel transformation. Okay, let's make a splash and jump right into this tutorial. I've already prepped and primed my face using my Fresh Squeeze highlighting drops and Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation from Too Faced. I've also filled in my brows using my Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousse in Frequency and my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. Starting off, I'm going to be using my magical Cover FX glitter drops for that shimmery siren highlight. Applying it to the top of my cheekbones, inner corner of eyes, and brow bone, and just blending it in with my fingers. Now taking the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection, it's a Princess Thing palette. I'm going to start with that beautiful shimmery shadow, Prince Charming, and apply it to the inner corners of my eyes and top of my brow bone. Then I'm going to mix the shadows Abu and Grumpy and take a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to blend it right above the crease area for a very nice transition shade. Using J-Cat's Prismetal Chrome Mousse in 103, I'm going to use it as a light sticky base for the lids. And go over it with my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Under the Sea. A bright seafoam green with a golden sheen. Totally reminds me of a mermaid tail. Then taking the Super Shock Shadow in A Whole New World, which is shining, shimmering, and just blended, I'm going to place it right above the green, working in and around the crease area. Using a purpley magenta shadow, I'm going to place it directly into the crease to create more depth and dimension. After that, I'm going to take the shadow Poison Apple and just blend everything together. The same shadow I used for my crease, I'm going to apply it right around the lower lash line. And taking some assorted blue glitter and some primer, I'm just going to apply this to my lid to glam it up. This is a Disney Princess Glam look. And it's definitely inspired by the dolls that came out for the collection. I love the fact they put each doll styled in their year of when they came out. So Ariel is serving up some 80s realness. I'm going to line my eyes using my Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0, which is as dark as Ursula's soul. Then I'm going to go over it with my Urban Decay's waterproof fine point pen. This is really going to make my eyes pop. Time to curl them lashes for some lift. Generously applying my Caution Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass Cosmetics, starting at the base of my lash line and wiggling my way upwards. Now I'm just adding some falsies for more doll-like dramatic lashes. Applying the lash glue, allowing it to get nice and tacky, placing it as close to the lash line as possible, and adjusting with tweezers, and letting them dry for about 20 seconds. So you can bat your eyes like this. For my cheeks, I'm going to use my NYX Bright Idea stick in Brick Red Blaze, applying it to the apples of my cheeks and working it up towards my hairline. Blending it in with the Beauty Blender and setting it with my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Apricot, which I love because it smells delicious. Again, with this look being a part of my Disney Glam series, you know I'm going to get extra adding some Mermaid Sparkle and Shine with assorted jewels and glitter. There's no rhyme or reason to applying the glitz, just have fun with it. I'm also creating random spots with my Urban Decay white razor sharp liner that kind of reminds me of bubbles under the sea. Life is the bubbles! And finally, for the lips, I'm going to line them with my Makeup Forever's waterproof aqua lip in 19C. Then filling them in with ColourPop's Ariel from the Kiss the Girl Luxe lipsticks. Kiss the girl. Yeah. And topping it all off with their ultra glossy lip in Bibbidi, a clear gloss with golden sheen. Mwah! And there is your Ariel Glam inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you again to ColourPop Cosmetics for having me be a part of this enchanting collaboration. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a sea star.